what's up? So today we're doing a lazy girl's guide to easy Christmas smoky eye look. I don't know what the title's gonna be, but something around there. You guys really liked the Thanksgiving one where I did a lazy girl's look for Thanksgiving, and you guys really liked it, so I wanted to do this for Christmas as well. Give me a thumbs up if you like that idea. Give me a thumbs up if you're a lazy girl, you don't like to use a ton of product, but you still want to look bomb. Give me a thumbs up. So starting today for the next all the way until Christmas Eve, we're gonna have nothing but Christmas related videos. So I'm gonna be doing a glam Christmas look for you guys. I'm going to be doing my makeup picks, like for gifting, if you're trying to get somebody a gift, a makeup gift, products that I think are really awesome and would be great gifts video. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. So make sure that you are subscribed, make sure that you hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. And yeah, so what's exciting about today's look and the glam look that I'm gonna be doing is I'm finally using the EBATES palette for both. I think. I haven't done the glam look yet, but I think I'm going to be using this because there is a lot of beautiful shades here, and we can create a bomb Christmas look with this palette. So today I'm using this palette literally for blush, bronzer. Well, you can use it for blush, bronzer, highlight, eye makeup. Super easy. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys like it. And yeah. This is my smoky, easy eye. So the thing with lazy girl looks is that you don't use too many multiple products, and it's something that's really easy to do, like so easy, but it looks like it took a lot of time. You know what I mean? So that's today's look. I hope you enjoy it. Let's just get started. Okay, so my eyebrows are already done, of course. When do I ever not have my brows actually done? Let's just jump right into it. So I'm gonna do the easy smoky eye in the whole wide world with some green in there. It's really beautiful. When you have big holidays like this, smoky eyes are always the best. They're always the bomb. We don't need primer. We don't need to start with primer because this is super, super, super easy. So first things first is grabbing some sort of eyeliner pencil, black eyeliner pencil. You pick which one you want to use. This one I got in a BoxyCharm. It's the Jaunty Blue Glitter Star Eyeliner. I'm gonna line the top, what is that, the tight line? I'm also gonna line the waterline. Actually, I'm gonna line the waterline with the green. So the tight line with the black. Get up all in the lashes. And then now I'm gonna start lining the very top. And this can be messy, and you just want to start kind of working it up, kind of like that. Look how messy that is. I love it. Love it. And I'm guessing this is the Morphe Y22. I think it's the lip brush. But I'm just going to start blending that. Blending the edges. So let's get into the EBATES, the wants, okay? First I'm going to get Midwest. Right here, a little bit of Midwest, a little bit of Hobby on a big fluffy brush. This one is the Furless Pro 7E, and I'm going to dip into both of them, and I'm just going to put it kind of in the crease slash transition very lightly. Dab into Midwest, which is the warmer shade. Get into there one more time. So you want it to be a color that you can have a good wash of like warmth, so it can kind of fade out to something. That's kind of the clue with this. So now you're gonna get a brush and get into Corduroy, which is that dark but green color. So gorgeous, so beautiful. We're gonna dip into that with like a flat brush. All my brushes are still dirty from Halloween. I've been living off of like 5 brushes. True laziness right there, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on the lid, and I'm gonna start kind of moving up, keeping it mostly on the lid, and the darkest I want close to the lashes, right on top of that black. This can be messy, guys. I'm kind of moving it up right now. I'm not really blending it too far up. Okay, then I'm gonna get a super fluffy brush. This one's the Sigma E38. I'm gonna get into the same corduroy very lightly, like one tap in there, maybe two. And I'm gonna start blending it upwards from the crease. Start diffusing that line, really blending it into that brown we had put earlier. Seriously, like 3 eyeshadows and you're gonna be done with this look. Like I'm almost done already. Just swiping motions back and forth, blending. I love these lazy girl videos because I don't have to think of something crazy. I just think of something, how to get whatever look I want across in the easiest, quickest way. You don't need a lot of detail. It's okay if it's messy. Because I figure we're under that understanding that it's for lazy girls. I'm just going back in with that green just to make sure I didn't blend too much away. Okay, I'm gonna get back into Midwest. This little brown shade I did earlier just to make sure the edges are pretty much blended. Okay. So now that we've done that, I'm gonna get into the same brush. I'm gonna get into dark and early right here. And I'm gonna focus this, actually I'm gonna get a smaller brush. I'm gonna get a teenier brush and I'm gonna focus that right here close to the lashes where I put that black eyeliner. And I'm just gonna kind of pat and swipe if I need to blend. Okay, there you go. That's basically it. Use a wipey to clean up anything you need to clean up. I don't want to make a sharp line, but you totally could, and it still would be like a lazy girl's glam look. I like that it looks diffused and smoked out and smoky, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna go in with the Becca First Light Priming Filter all over the face. Love this so much. I'm gonna use the ColourPop No Filter Foundation. This one is in light 70. This is like the lightest I shall ever be. And I'm gonna spray the end of this with my MAC Fix Plus. And this is just a Sigma sponge. Stipple that all over the face. And I have like this friend that's bruised and crazy over here. Concealer, a little bit of this Too Faced Born This Way. I'm just gonna powder like the areas that transfer on me because it's a matte foundation. Bronzer, this is the Revolution Makeup Revolution blush in bronze. I'm gonna use this to contour with. I'm going to use this Midwest color to kind of bronze a tiny bit. I think that's a kind of cool color there. Bronze slash blush. For a blush, I think I'm going to use this berry color. This is the LA Girl blush in Just Fearless. I think this will go with green really well. And I know it looks scary, you guys. You have to literally tap in like this. Barely. Like, tap. Just for a subtle berry, and use a really fluffy, not super dense brush. Back to the palette, back to the eyes. So on the lower lashes, I'm going to use a tiny bit of this corduroy. Oh, actually, on the lower lashes, first I'm going to use Midwest right here, which is that like warm color. So I'm gonna stick that into the lower lashes. And this one I can be as free and as messy with this warm color as I choose. And then I'm going to corduroy Get really close to the lashes. Like really close. You can use black in the lower lashes or a green eyeliner. This is LA Girl Endless Semi-Permanent Auto Eyeliner in electric green. So I'm gonna do mascara. This is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. If you want to do lashes, do lashes. I'm extremely too lazy to do lashes right now. Last things, I'm going to Oh Heavens as a highlight. Of course, I love doing that. Truly lazy, because I don't even want to grab my own highlight. You got everything you need. You can even use a blush from the palette. If you guys are looking for something to use as a blush in this palette, let me tell you, Prayer right here would be the perfect blush to match up with this look if you don't want to try that crazy color like I tried. Spray in my face. This is what my lazy bum is gonna do for lips. I'm gonna get into Prayer right here with my finger, okay, on clean lips. I'm just gonna put it on my clean lips. Like that, and I'm just gonna use a lip oil or something like a lip gloss if you want a lip gloss. Oh, I love it. You could even do a lip gloss first and stick the shadow on top so it sticks better. There you have it. An easy, lazy girl smoky eye. That's it. I hope you like how this whole look turned out. I hope it was easy enough. I think it was, because honestly, you guys can be sloppy with this look and it's still gonna look bomb, look good. Just follow the steps whenever you're where you're applying the makeup. If you follow those steps, you're gonna create something beautiful. And yeah, I hope you guys really liked it. This is honestly my favorite Christmas. I love smoky eyes like nobody's business, you guys. I love the smoky eyes. I love when they're dark and they look black and they look like mysterious and sexy. And before you go, you guys, comment below, tell me something, a beauty product, a makeup product, a hair product, something that you think is amazing and you would totally gift to someone, your ideas for the perfect gift for a beauty lover. Such as myself. Comment below and give me some ideas. I'm kind of curious. I'm wanting to go to the store and pick up some stuff. And I would love it if I could include some things that my subscribers suggested and think are awesome and amazing. So make sure to comment below and tell me. But yeah, I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.